Welcome to Njenje Media TV. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and remember to click on the bell icon. I can mobilize 1 million fighters to expel Fulani herdsmen from Yorubaland. Ganiyu Adam threatens. The Are Onakakamfo of Yorubaland, Chief Gani Adams, has said he can roll out 1 million people to deliver the Yoruba region from herdsmen invasion. He said the Mieti Allah is taking out their plan one after the other. Why the Eastern governors kicked against it? Our governors are trying to be diplomatic about that. We won't allow insecurity to overwhelm us. We will not allow it to distract us from pursuing restructuring. Ganiyu Adam, who was speaking at the presentation of the Yoruba translation of his autobiography titled Awo by Alaroji, an event held at the International Conference Center, University of Ibadan, to revisit the legacies of late sage Chief Obafemi Awolowo. The event attracted prominent Yoruba people, including Oyo State Governor Mr. Seyi Makinde, who was represented by Alhaji Rauf Oraniyon. There are other prominent Yorubas there, and the Ona Kakamfo of Yorubaland was also there, including Yinka Odumakin. In his contribution, Adebanjo accused the Southwest governors, except Governor Mahinde, of paying lip services to the issue of insecurity for fear of not offending a national leader of the, a national leader of All Progressive Congress, Senator Ahmed Tinubu. Commenting on the nation's security woes, Alafin of Uyo said, "At the national level today, we have unprecedented state of insecurity, culminated by kidnapping, Fulani herdsmen, harassment, all sorts of criminality that have enveloped Yorubaland. The Yoruba are proud of their harmonious relationship with indigenous Fulani, which has spread over many centuries. Such relationships have led to inter-ethnic marriages and business entrepreneurship. At that time, cattle herders carried sticks to direct the movement of their cattle. It was unlike now when supposed herders are armed with sophisticated weapons like soldiers. So, as far as Onakakamfo is concerned, there is no solution to the current national challenge than the restructuring of this nation. What they are saying, in conclusion, he said that if pushed, that the Yorubas would in no time mobilize 1 million fighters to expel the Fulani herdsmen from their land. Njenje Media would add, what the Yorubas are talking, it sounds more like a cow, some people who have been cowed. The Yorubas have sold out and have allowed the Fulanis to utilize their land as a launching pad. The Yoruba land that has been known to be the safest part of Nigeria has suddenly turned out to be the kidnapping headquarters of Nigeria. You can no longer travel from Lagos to Benin Ore comfortably without the fear of being kidnapped and ransom paid. Where are the Afaniferes? Where are the OPCs? Yorubas, why are you people turning out to be cowards? Wake up, like Omakakamfo said. He said he will mobilize 1 million people to defend Yorubaland. When are you going to start the mobilization? Is it when all the Yorubas have been wiped out that you're going to mobilize? Njenje Media is tasking the Yorubas to stand up and defend the Yoruba nation. Subscribe to the channel.